things you need to be doing to create consistent video content in 2024. Number one, know who you're talking to, know your audience, who you want to reach. Number two, why do you want to reach them and the services you offer? And then number three, big thing, why? Why do you want to share this with them? If you're in business to serve. So what is the service? What are their needs that you are meeting that they cannot meet for themselves? Simple. So that's numbers 1, 2, and 3. Number 4, more of a practical bent, set aside time to create your content, like I didn't for Christmas, hence I haven't created this video for you. Make sure that you've got that set in stone and it's part of your consistent weekly or monthly or even daily schedule time to plan that out. And number 5, show up. Doesn't matter if it's not 100% perfect. In fact, the time you spend waiting for it to be perfect, you could have the moment has passed. Ask me how I know. Seth Godin, the great marketer, always says ship at 70%, and I highly recommend that. Show up, show people you're there, that you care. I very much look forward to continuing our journey together in 2024. Do let me know in the comments if you think there's anything I've missed out that should be there, or DM me, reach out if you would like to know a little bit more how you can dive a little deeper into each of these practices. Take care and I'll see you soon.